and I'm gonna show like the nature by my house. I'm not in my house yet, and so this is a big tree. It's really cool. I can go by it, but I can't really see anything now because I don't want to run over. That's the tree. The tree just has like normal stuff. There's no bugs on it. This is a big field. Oh my god. It's bigger than this. I'm standing. Oh, and these are like, I got these at Justice. These boots at Justice. They're really cute. They're like cowgirl boots, you know. You want to see every girl. So don't mind those people, but they're just, I don't think you saw these people, so that's my door. That's my window. That room right there is a spare room. My brother honestly used to live there. I don't want to lie. He used to live in that room right there. Well, it used to be his room, but he moved out, so it's a spare room now. And in that room, the teddy bear, as you can see right there, is my mom's room, so that's pretty cool. And then to show you my room, I get the master bedroom. Since I have so many toys, I'm going to show you my collection. But I literally have so many toys. No doubt about it. Okay, that other window right there is mine. But this one right here is mine. That one right there. I have a canopy. I don't know if you can see that. Right there. Okay, sorry. So I cannot show you my dress. That's the window, so I have to get a second. Oh, this is my chair I like to sit on. You can kind of see the cars and everything like that, but I don't know if I'm gonna go around the block. I feel like it's not safe. Like, honestly, I shouldn't bring you around the block. But so I hope you have a good day, and thanks for watching this video. Bye.